1,634 executions were recorded in 2015, a 50% increase on the previous year and the highest number recorded by human rights watchdog Amnesty International in more than 25 years. The figure doesn't include China, which executes more people than any other country. The exact number is unknown, but it's believed to be in the thousands. Having reintroduced the death penalty for civilians in December 2014, Pakistan carried out at least 326 executions in 2015. Capital punishment was used at least 977 times in Iran, 158 times in Saudi Arabia, 26 times in Iraq, and 28 times in the United States. Despite a global trend towards abolishing the death penalty, people were executed in 25 countries in 2015, up from 22 in 2014. Methods used were hanging, beheading, lethal injection, and shooting. People faced the death penalty for crimes ranging from economic or non-violent drug-related offences to blasphemy, adultery, and murder.